Today, you will learn how to overline text in Word. Let's start with the easiest method. Open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the overlined text to appear. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Symbols group, click Equation. If you do not see it immediately, look toward the right side of the ribbon. Once the Equation box appears, go to the Equation tab on the top and choose Accent from the Equation tab. From the list of accents, select the Overbar option. A box will appear. Click inside that box and type the text that you want to have a line above it. Word will automatically place the overline over your text. Now let's talk about the shortcut key method. Press Alt and =sign together on your keyboard. This instantly opens an equation box in Microsoft Word. After the equation box appears, type a backslash followed by the word Overline, and then press the spacebar. After that, type the text you want to place under the overline. This shortcut saves time because you do not need to manually open the equation menu every time. You can also create an overline in Word using the Top Border feature. Simply type your text, select the paragraph, and choose Top Border from the Borders menu on the Home tab. This adds a line above the text. If the line stretches too far across the page, enable the ruler from the View tab and adjust the paragraph indent markers on the ruler. By dragging the left or right indent, you can shorten the borderline and make it match the length of your text more accurately. This method is quick and useful when you need a simple overline effect without using Word's equation tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.